tiny tots. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing fine and taking good care of yourself. So, welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids by the Cap. And I'm back with the chapter today that is healthy and unhealthy foods. So, there are always two types of foods, okay? First one is healthy food and second one is unhealthy food. So, tell me which food type do you eat? Because I eat only healthy foods that is good for me and for my body. So tell me, which food do you eat? I know some of you eat healthy food and some of you eat unhealthy food, but that is not good. Unhealthy food is not good for our health. Okay, now I will tell you which foods are healthy and which foods are unhealthy for us. Okay, now so let's start our today's class. Okay, so these foods are healthy ones that we should eat every day. These are unhealthy ones that we should not eat every day. Yes, but we can eat them like once in a month. कभी कभार हम खा सकते हैं ऐसे. Okay, so healthy ones are all these foods, vegetables, all the green vegetables, peas, lady's finger, bottle gourd, everything that comes in vegetables are healthy. Okay, next is chapati. Mama makes chapati for you and it's very healthy. We should every day eat chapatis. Okay, next are pulses, dals, yellow dal, black dal. All the dals are very healthy for us that you should eat every day. Okay, next is juice. Orange juice, pineapple juice, apple juice, any juice you can have in the morning and it's very healthy for you. Next is cheese. Yes, you can have cheese. Are you happy now? Next is milk. You all know that milk makes our bones stronger and healthier for us. We grow by drinking milk, so it's very important for us. We should have milk every day. Next is rice. You can have rice too. Next up, cornflakes. Yes, it's a very good option. You can have cornflakes with milk. It makes a very good combination and gives you very energetic. Okay. Next is curd. You can have curd also in the afternoon. Next are fruits. Fruits are the best option for everyone and fruits are very yummy, very juicy and colorful also. Apple, mango, orange, pineapple, cherries, strawberries, everything. There are lots of fruits that you can have every day. Okay, but you should eat one fruit every day. Okay, so all these are healthy options that we should eat every day, and by consuming these, we will become healthy and stronger and we will grow also. Okay, and it also gives us energy. ये फूड्स हमें एनर्जी देते हैं सारे काम करने के लिए. अगर हम ये वाले फूड्स खाएंगे तो हम फटाफट से सारे काम भागते भागते कर सकते हैं, बट अगर हम नहीं खाएंगे तो हमें एनर्जी नहीं होगी. We'll be like this. We'll be very tired all the time. So it's not good for you. Okay. Now I will tell you about unhealthy food that is not good for us. These are burgers. It's not good. Noodles. A big no. Next is bread. Noodles, burger, bread. All these things are made up of maida and which is not good for us. Okay. Next, ice cream. It has lots of sugar. It is also not good for us. But yes, you can have it sometimes. Okay. Next is cold drink. A big no. Cold drink की जगह you can have juice or milk. It's very healthy for you. Next is finger chips. That is also called French fries. I know many of you love to eat French fries here because I also love to eat French fries. But what I do, I eat once in a month. Okay, once in a month I have French fries. So that is not very bad. Next is cake. we can have cakes only on birthdays, okay? Next is pizza, a big no. Then chocolates and candies. All these things have so much sugar in it. इन सब में बहुत सारी शुगर होती है जो हमारी बॉडी के लिए बिल्कुल भी अच्छी नहीं होती है, okay? So please keep this in mind and be careful that what you are eating and when you are eating, okay? ये सब foods आप कभी कभार ले सकते हैं like finger chips or cakes or ice cream, but not every day, okay? Because अगर आप every day खाएंगे then you will become sick. आप बीमार पड़ सकते हैं, आप में energy नहीं होगी, okay? And you will also become fat. So we will eat healthy options, healthy food, and we will, by eating these foods, we will grow, we will be more energetic, we will be more stronger, all right? Like your father, like your mother, all right? And now this is a cute little rhyme that we will sing now, and you all will sing with me. Apple, orange and pear, all are my dear. So apple, orange and pear, all are my dear. They make me cheer, I eat them without fear. They make me cheer. उन्हें खाने से हम अच्छा फील करते हैं, okay? I eat them without fear. आप बिना किसी डर के ये सारे fruits खा सकते हो because it will give you energy. It will benefit you in every way, okay? So all these fruits you can have it every day and without fear, all right? Okay. Now you have to make a collage inside this frame and paste the pictures of healthy food that you like to eat, okay? Collect the pictures from advertisements, in pamphlets, newspapers, magazines, chart papers और old books. आप कहीं से भी उनकी पिक्चर्स कलेक्ट करके आपको यहाँ पर एक कोलाज बनाना है. इस फ्रेम के अंदर आपको हेल्दी फूड्स के ऑप्शन कलेक्ट करके पेस्ट करने हैं, ऑल राइट? दैट इज योर होमवर्क. यू विल डू इट वेरी गुड. आई नो everyone will do it and everyone will eat also, okay? So everyone will eat healthy foods and paste here healthy foods only, all right? Very good. Now I will see you in the next class. Till then, eat only healthy foods and stay healthy. Happy learning. Bye bye. Take care.